Exercise F. If roots of the equation 2x square plus 8x minus m cube is equals to 0, then find the value of m. So the equation is 2x square plus 8x minus m cube is equals to 0 and the roots are equal. If the roots are equal, then b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. So if it is so, then 8 square minus 4 into 2 into minus m cube is equals to 0. It is 64 plus 8 m cube is equals to 0. 8 m cube is equals to 64. That will be minus 64. M cube will be minus 8. M is equals to minus 2. D is your answer. Now, you can do it in one more way. You can try the options and see if the equation is getting satisfied. मतलब क्या क्या आप अगर यहाँ पे ऑप्शन ट्राई करोगे -3 डाल के देखोगे -1 डाल के एंड देन यू विल फाइंड द रूट्स ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन एंड द रूट्स शुड बी इक्वल, तो आपका आंसर आ जाएगा. नाउ नेक्स्ट 2 raised to 2x plus 3 minus 3 square into 2 raised to x plus 1 is equals to 0. Find the value of x. 2 raised to 2x plus 3 minus 3 square into 2 raised to x plus 1 minus 3 square into 2 raised to x plus 1 is equals to 0. This will be 2 raised to 2x into 2 raised to 3, rules of indices, minus 3 square into 2 raised to x plus 1 is equals to 0. 2 raised to x bracket square. 2 raised to 2x वन जगह 2 raised to x bracket square. आपण 2 raised to x ला a म्हणायचं. हे काय येणार? a square into 2 cube, that is 8, minus 9, 2 raised to x is a, plus 1 is equals to 0. So 8a square minus 9a plus 1 is equals to 0. Now 8 into 1 is 8, product is 8 and sum is minus 9. So your roots has to be minus 8 and minus 1. So it is a minus 8 and a minus 1 is equals to 0. A is equals to 8, that is 2 raised to x is equals to 8. So x will be 3 and a is equals to 1. So 2 raised to x is equals to 1. So x will be 0. So your answer is 0 and 3. C. Or otherwise try the options. If x is 0, here if x is 0, then 2 raised to 2 into 0 plus 3 minus 3 square into 2 raised to 0 plus 1. Now anything raised to 0 is 1. This is 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 3 minus 9 into 2 raised to 0 is 1 plus 1. 8 minus 9 plus 1 is equals to 0. 8 minus 9 plus 1, yes, it is equal to 0. So the equation is getting satisfied for x is equals to 0. अब x is equals to 1 के लिए देखते हैं. 2 raised to 2x, so it will be 5. 2 into 1 plus 3 will be 5 minus 9 into 2 raised to 1 is 2 plus 1. 2 raised to 5 is 32. 35, sorry, 32. 9 into 2 is 18 plus 1. This is not equal to 0. So 1 is not satisfying, but 0 is. So 0 किस में है? इधर भी है, इधर भी है. तो 3 डाल के देखो. So 2 raised to 2 into 3, 6 plus 3, this is 9. Minus 9 into 2 raised to 3 plus 1. So we'll find out 2 raised to 3. It is 2, sorry, 2 raised to 9. So 2 into 9 times you will multiply it. That is 5 and 2. That will be 5 and 2 minus. There is something wrong here. It's not 2 raised to. So if x is equals to 0 लाते satisfy, x is equals to 3 लाते काय होणार आहे? 2, 6 plus 3, yes, it is 2 raised to 9 minus 3 square is 9 into 2 raised to 3 plus 1. The solution of the quadratic equation was wrong. It has to be written like this. 8a minus a square minus 8a minus a plus 1 is equals to 0. क्योंकि multiplication जो है वो minus ये 8 है और addition जो है वो minus 9 है. So we will put it here. Now we will get 8a common into bracket a minus 1 minus 1 common into bracket a minus 1 is equals to 0. 8a minus 1 is or a minus 1 is 0. So a is equals to 1 by 8 or a is equals to 1. So 2 raised to x is 1 by 8. Obviously x will become minus 3 or x will become 0. So your answer is minus 3 and 0 and not 0 and 3. 3 नहीं आएगा, minus 3 आएगा. या फिर आप ऑप्शन डाल के देखो, तो ये 3 के साथ नहीं आ रहा था तो माइनस 3 के साथ डाल के देखेंगे तो वो सॉल्व हो जाएगा. अगर हम लोगों ने ऑप्शन ट्राई किया और इधर माइनस 3 डाल दिया ऑप्शन में, तो यू विल गेट 2 raised to 2 into minus 3 minus 6 plus 3 will become minus 3. Minus 3 square into 2 into raised to minus 3 plus 1 is equals to. This is 1 by 8 minus 9 by 8 plus 1. So this is 1 by 8 minus 9 by 8 is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So this is your option. There was a mistake previously. Roots factors त्याचे minus 8 आणि minus 1 होते, पण roots त्याचं 8a minus 1 आणि a minus 1 होता. Now let us come to the third sum. This is very unique kind of sum. You have to find the value of 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by so on. This is very unique kind of a sum. Four plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus so on up to infinity. I will say let this be equal to y. So I can write it as 4 plus 1 by y is equals to y, because this is also y, na? 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 so on up to infinity. So this is also y. तो ये हो जाएगा 4y plus 1 upon y is equals to y. So it will be y square is equals to 4y plus 1. It is y square minus 4y minus 1 is equals to 0. अब इसके अगर रूट्स निकालने हैं तो हम लोग डायरेक्टली जाएंगे. a is equals to 1, b is minus 4, c is minus 1, and your roots will be, see, your roots of quadratic equations are minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So it is minus of minus 4 plus or minus under root minus 4 square, that is 16, minus 4 into 1 into minus 1. So it will become plus 4. क्योंकि c minus 1 है ना, तो 4 into 1 into minus 1 will become plus 4, whole thing upon 2 into a, that is 2. That is 4 plus minus under root 20 upon 2. I can write down this under root 20 as 4 plus minus, see 20 is 4 into 2, 4 into 5. So 4 under root के बाहर आएगा तो 2 हो जाएगा. So this will be 2 root 5 upon 2. And now you can take 2 common from here. 4 आणि 2 मधनं common घेतलं तर you will get 2 common into bracket 2 plus minus root 5 upon 2. 2 cancel. Your answer is 2 or 2 plus minus root 5. So this is, there is an answer. C 2 plus minus root 5. ये थोड़ा सा अलग सम है और इसमें आप अल्टरनेटिव के साथ सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते. You have to find the value and this is up to infinity. So 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon. So I will take this as one variable. So this also becomes the same variable. So 4 plus 1 by y is equals to y. And then you will solve that quadratic equation. और आप देखो इधर ना इसको सिंपली भी नहीं सॉल्व कर सकते हम लोग क्योंकि इसका कोई सॉल्यूशन नहीं आता है. तो वी विल सॉल्व इट बाय दिस मेथड. Let us go to the next sum, fourth. If alpha beta be the roots of the equation, then find the value of alpha square plus beta square. Now there are two ways. First, find the roots of this equation. Once you get the root, then find out alpha square plus beta square. Now question number 4. If alpha and beta be the roots of the equation, you have to find the value of alpha square plus beta square. Now here we will use this formulas. We know that a plus b whole bracket square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a plus b whole bracket square minus 2ab is equals to a square plus b square. We will use the same formula here. The equation is 2x square minus 4x minus 3. 2x square minus 4x minus 3 is equals to 0. A is 2, b is minus 4, c is minus 3. Sum of the roots is minus b by a. That is minus of minus 4 by 2. That is 4 by 2, that is 2. Product of the roots is c by a. That is minus c by 2. So minus 3 by 2. Now, I want to find out alpha square plus beta square. That is alpha plus beta whole bracket square minus 2 into alpha beta. Now, I already have alpha plus beta. This is 2. So it is 2 into square minus 2 into alpha beta is minus 3 by 2. 2 cancel. This is 4 plus 3. Your answer is 7. Answer is 7. ये कुछ ऐसे सम्स है जहां पे शॉर्टकट बहुत महंगा पड़ जाएगा, आपको बहुत टाइम लगेगा. जैसे 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 4x माइनस 3 के रूट्स अगर आप निकालने जाओ तो इसके कोई रूट्स तो आ नहीं रहे क्योंकि -6 मल्टीप्लीकेशन है और सब्ट्रैक्शन -4 है, तो रियल रूट्स तो है नहीं. तो आपको रूट्स निकालने पड़ेंगे -b प्लस और माइनस अंडर रूट b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac अपॉन 2 से, एंड देन यू विल find out the square of each and then add. तो वो शायद हो नहीं पाएगा, तो ये मेथड ज्यादा आसान हो जाता है. या ऐसा नहीं है कि हो नहीं पाएगा, उसको टाइम थोड़ा सा ज्यादा लगेगा. Then next, if the sum of the roots of quadratic equations is equal to the sum of the squares of their reciprocal, then the sum of the roots of quadratic equations, that is this equation, iske sum of the roots is equal to the sum of the squares of their reciprocal. So if the roots are alpha and beta, so the sum of the roots of the quadratic equation is equal to the sum of the squares of their reciprocal, that is 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. And you have to find this. This is the old module and I think there is something wrong. The printing is wrong here. The correction is we want b square upon ac plus bc upon a square is equals to. So if ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, b square upon ac plus bc upon a square, याची व्हॅल्यू काढायची. So we already know that alpha plus beta in this equation is minus b by a, and alpha beta is c by a. They have said that alpha plus beta is equals to 1 upon alpha square plus 1 upon beta square. Alpha plus beta is alpha square plus beta square upon alpha square into beta square. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a is equals to alpha square plus beta square is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta upon alpha beta bracket square. So this can be written as minus b by a is equals to minus b by a bracket square minus 2 into c by a whole thing, c by a whole square. So minus b by a is equals to b square by a square minus 2c by a whole thing upon c square by a square. You will take this to multiply here. So minus b c square upon a into a square is equals to b square upon a square. To equalize the denominator, I have multiplied it by a. So I will get this. Now this a and this common denominator will get cancelled. So minus bc square upon a is equals to b square minus 2ac. Now I want b square upon ac, so I will divide this by ac, this by ac and this by ac. हा c आणि याच्यातला एक c cancel होऊन जाईल. This and this will get cancelled and you will get minus b upon a square, because this a and this a is a square, minus bc, this is 1c is remaining, upon a square is equals to b square upon ac minus 2. Now this will come here, this 2 will go there, 2 is equal to b square upon ac plus bc upon a square. This is your answer. So 2 is your required answer.